Before throwing plastic away, try this smart recycling idea. Reuse bottle as eco-friendly plant pots. Small recycling habits create a cleaner future. Every reusable item helps reduce waste. Simple eco choices matter. Follow for more smart recycling and sustainable living habits.